In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Poshmark app on Android. If you want to shop for fashion items or start selling things you no longer use, the Poshmark app makes it easy to do both right from your phone. I'll walk you through the full process on Android, from finding the app in the Play Store to opening it and getting started. Begin by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android, and it's the safest place to download apps like Poshmark. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Poshmark. As you type, you may see suggestions appear underneath. You can either tap the suggestion for Poshmark or finish typing the full name yourself. After that, look through the search results and select Poshmark, Sell and Shop Online. Make sure you choose the correct app so you install the official version. Once you're on the app page, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. During this part, it's a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi or make sure you have a stable mobile data connection so the download finishes smoothly. After the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This takes you directly into Poshmark so you can begin setting everything up. When the app opens, you can either sign in if you already have an account or create a new Poshmark account if you're new to the platform. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your details and complete the setup process. Take your time here and make sure your information is entered correctly so you can access all of the app's features without issues. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start using Poshmark. You can browse and buy items like clothes, shoes, and accessories, or you can begin selling your own items if you want to clear out your closet and make some extra money. And that's it. That's how to download the Poshmark app on Android, install it, open it, and get started. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be up and running in just a few minutes.